Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's video, I'm gonna show you all how to make a cucumber salad. The ingredients are basically cucumbers, almost feta cheese, red onions, and balsamic vinegar. Now, before we do any of that, let's see who this week's helper is. Helper Wheel, take it away.
Let's see.
Yay!
Before doing so, let's put these gloves on it first.
Hello.
Ready? This class isn't just about making a salad. This one's going to be about knife safety.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now. Now first, you remove the seed, from the cucumber. Okay, first, you wipe all of it.
Wash it.
Yeah, wash the cucumbers first.
What's going on? It's okay. It's just everybody's thing. It's fine.
Right now, team, pay attention. First, we count one. Checking on now. So, then we count it in half twice. Put it like this. Now watch how I'm cutting it. Three strips on each half, but not fully. Yeah. Now watch how I'm cutting it. Hold on a knife like this, and I make my hand into a rough ball. Noah.
I'm holding one once a week.
There he goes again.
Okay, again. Watch how I'm pulling the knife. Watch how I'm pulling it. So, then we cut in small pieces like this. So when we're cutting fruits or vegetables, it's always important to be careful with your finger placement.
Yeah.
Alright, you see? Let me see how you do it. Hold on, routine. First, you cut this part out. Then we cut it in half. No. Now, if you're inexperienced in using a knife, you should always ask a parent, guardian, or DSP for assistance. This would be pretty dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. I'll cut each of the halves into 3 strips. No, strips. Straps.
The long way.
Long way, the team.
Yeah.
Pay attention. Like this. Alright?
Yeah.
Then we cut like so.
not cut out.
Hold. Hold. No. Team, listen to me.
Yeah.
Hold your knife like this. Like this. You know what I'm doing it?
Yeah.
Do it exactly how I'm doing it. Team, pay attention.
Okay.
Hold your knife like this.
Might want a bit longer.
Now make a rock paw like this. Put your paw right here. No. Like this. This fits in. They ain't rock paw, dude. Listen.
Try my best.
Well, that's what we're all here to do. Learn.
Yes.
Now we cut into pieces like so.
I got it.
Watch your finger.
Yeah, here, come on, rock paw. No, don't fold your fingers no matter what.
Your fingers have to be balled under, and it has to be on the longer side, on the side that you have more space on.
This side?
Yes. No, yes. But every time you cut, you move your hand back.
Yes. Right? Right? Now it's time to do the onion.
That's a big onion.
Yeah.
Yep. First.
What kind of onion is that?
It's a red onion.
Red onion.
Red onion.
What's in a white box?
Is it red inside or is it white
Wait.
or purple?
It's purple. Isn't it purple?
That's what it's called, a red onion.
So
I have this at home.
Siobhan has a question.
Yeah, Shabbat.
Yes?
Red onion. How
Red
come it's purple there? Red onion. Why did they can't call it purple? Why did they can't call it purple?
Because it's a red
Red
onion,
onion.
but you said it's purple
It's purple
inside.
inside.
Why don't they just call it purple
Purple
onion instead of red
Red
onion?
onion.
If it's gonna be purple.
Purple
Inside.
inside.
That's what Siobhan was asking.
Alright. Well, I don't really know the answer to that question.
They should call it purple.
Purple onion. Purple onion, my gosh.
No, okay? No. No, let's start on this onion. First, cut the top and bottom parts out.
Maybe not. Maybe
Then, also like the first layer, there, and remove it.
smell it.
Yeah. Schweik likes onions.
Nasty. Makes your eyes watering.
We all
Yeah.
gonna cry.
Yeah, it makes me my water.
We gonna cry happy
Okay,
tears.
okay.
It's gonna make me.
Okay, anyway. Now, pay attention. Pay attention, team. First, you cut the onion in half. And remove the middle parts.
Shabam has a question.
Bob?
Yes, Shabam?
Why we do remove the middle part after out of the onion?
He's saying, why should we remove the middle part
Middle part
out the onion?
out of the onion.
Is it hard
It is
or
hard.
soft?
It is hard or
Like
soft.
the middle
The-
part
no,
that
the-
you just removed?
That's removed.
It's all because it's soft
It is soft though. Soft though.
and hard.
Oh, it's soft and hard.
So we should remove the middle part.
Yes.
We should remove it. Okay.
That's all I should do.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, well, does Shabam have any more questions? Any more questions before we continue?
Bob?
I like red onion.
Okay. The team hold.
Yes, right. Yeah. Do you like red onion? Adele? Chef?
Nice question.
Martin, do you like red onion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard. Alright. Alright. Pay attention, team. This is how you dice an onion. First, you stand in the half, upright, and cut 3 times horizontally. Lay it down. Yes. Cut 4 times vertically. Then, upper paw, nice hold, and gently move back the onions like so. No, don't push the knife hard. Just make gentle, gentle left and right movements, like you're chopping down a tree
Yeah.
or sawing a piece of wood. And then first stand like this, cut this way 3 times. Gently. No, you're pressing hard.
It might be hard for him.
You're pressing. You do it left to right. Not forcefully.
It might be hard for him, you might have to help him.
Alright.
That's why he's struggling a little bit. That's why he might need your help. Are you struggling?
Yeah.
So you need to ask Adele, can you help me?
Adele, can you help me? I'm struggling
Alright.
with the onions.
Cut 3 times horizontally. Then cut 4 times vertically. And the rough piece, and you cut the onion like so. Left to right movements. Left to right movements. Do not press too hard.
There you go.
I see everyone, this is why you share with the guardian parent or DSP tool. No, not yet.
No.
Not yet, we're not done. Now this is why you need a parent, guardian, or DSP for assistance. You have no experience. If you struggle, you could lose a finger. Exactly.
There
Alright? Alright? Now we add in our feta cheese. So sprinkle, like so.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Well. One. And lastly, we put in our balsamic vinegar. Thank you. Now we grab our tongs.
We mix it
Yep.
like dough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In that class is how you make a cucumber salad.
Yay.